Hello everyone, Nate Kopic here with Paul Sherry in Piqua, Ohio. Today we're looking at a 1998 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo, stock number CP15457AT. This one is like a grayish silver in color. A little bit of rust specks here on the front hood. Bumper's kind of sun faded, got some tow hooks and some fog lights down here. Four-wheel drive vehicle. The inline 6 4-liter. Look at the tires, they're about, I don't know, they might be about 50%. Got a nice 15-inch rim. Take a look on the inside here. We've got some power options, some normal wear, not normal wear and tear, but some cracking. Probably the age of the vehicle. Kind of stained up interior, really. Power windows, locks, mirrors. Floor is definitely dirty. Aftermarket pedal covers, gotta have those. Cloth seating. Center console here. The roof has no headliner all the way back. I'm sure that maybe it was hanging down at one point, so I might have taken it off. Got your AM/FM radio with the tape player. Must have. Get you a Walkman. Plug that bad boy in. Got your climate controls here. Manual 4-wheel drive options. Cruise control. Let's take a look in the back seat. Got the very nice roof rack. Makes good for putting kayaks or camping gear up there. Back seat's pretty dirty too. Pretty simple back seat, really. It does fold forward. Give you a little bit of storage room there. Vehicle does have a hitch on it, no ball. Does have the hitch. Rust along the bottom of the hatch here, and the hatch is locked. Maybe we can look through this way. Nope, still locked. Good try. We tried. Got a little dent right there. I want to look in the back seat here for you. So I can't get that hatch open. It must just be locked. Just spare tire. Pretty spacious back there. Again, these seats do fold forward. Whoops. All the plastic looks to be sun faded. Pretty common for a vehicle that's a 98. Again, this is a 98 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo, stock number CP15457AT. I'm Nathan Kopic. Stop in and see me today, or give me a call at 937-778-0830. Also, make sure to visit the website, sherrychrysler.com.